I am Kathleen. I'm going to be the SPT today. I'm going to start with a video on finding subtalar neutral. My mom Margaret is here as the patient, and I'm going to turn the video around so that you can see me take bisection of her calf and her calcaneus. So my patient is lying here, and you can see her other leg is externally rotated. I am going to now use this pen and just make a little line on her calf. We'll do right here. And then a little line on her calcaneus while she's... So I can use those as reference once we get started. So the first test that we're going to do is subtalar neutral. I'm going to start by taking my thumb and my middle finger and placing them just anteriorly to the medial and lateral malleolus. Then gonna invert and evert. I can feel the neck of the talus. So that feels like they're both in line. I can feel them both equally. So I'm just gonna take the fifth ray and push the foot down. And this would be subtalar neutral. So the next test we're going to do is to assess the leg to the rear foot. And I did this by drawing lines on the calf and the calcaneus. So I'm going to continue to hold the foot in subtalar neutral as I look to see how they line. So the line on your calf compared to the line on your calcaneus, the calcaneus seems to be inverted just slightly, which means that you're at a slight varus, which is normal. 3 degrees of varus is normal. So now what I'm going to do is assess your rear foot to your forefoot. And I'm going to do this by looking to see if the line on your calcaneus is perpendicular to the metatarsals. And the line is looking pretty perpendicular. So I would say that's normal. Now I'm going to assess the first ray position. I'm going to do this by feeling for the head of the first metatarsal in relation to the other heads of the metatarsals. Yours looks like it's in a line with the heads of the metatarsals, but it might be slightly plantar flexed. It looks to be a little plantar flexed. Yeah. But that's okay because that allows for toe extension, which is really important for walking. Now the last test we're going to do is to assess the mobility of the first ray. So I'm going to be doing this by taking the first ray and moving it dorsally and plantarly to see if you have at least 1 centimeter in each direction. I think you can see that. Hold this a little bit. And you appear to have at least 1 centimeter in both directions, and that's very important for walking, so that's good.